Welcome to the Geek Church again. We are doing an unboxing review, but this time it's going to be a little bit different. Most of the time when I do an unboxing review, I've already opened it. I already know what's up in it. Today, I've decided just to kick that to the curb, and I am just going to open this box, show you what's in it, open those boxes, and you're going to see exactly what this is. And for this, I'm going to need something to put over this box with maybe a pair of scissors or something. We're going to relieve this totally. Okay, so we got this sucker finally open. Here, we get the flaps. Woohoo! Alright, okay. This is from a company known as GoSun. GoSun makes a lot of interesting products. One of their products that they're known for is this solar-powered barbecue thing. And it's in this box right here. This particular package came with this thing. Why in the world would you have this thing? What is this, a bow and arrow? My Hawkeye? What's going on? Well, let's take a look at this thing. And I'm gonna need to seriously take this out of the box. And man, this box is the direct size and shape of this thing. And look at it. It's a GoSun thing. Okay, what does that say? That is a GoSun Breakthrough Solar Cooker. Look at this sucker. It's like this kind of thing that's, you just put in this thing into that thing and it cooks it with the power of the sun. Oh my gosh, this looks very cool. I'm gonna just check this out here. Hopefully this will open like that vacuum cleaner I reviewed a while ago. Okay, this is it. This is the GoSun thing with all the foam and whatever the heck this is. I'm told this is solar powered, so good luck making this work. Ah. Okay. This is it. Interesting. I don't know how much instructions I'm going to have to read on this just to make sure this works. Fortunately, this comes with instructions and stuff like that. This is going to be an interesting device that we are going to have to review. In fact, you know what? I'm thinking about this. Because honestly, I can't wait to cook some delicious, I don't know, what, chicken, steak? I'm not even sure how I'm going to do that. I'm going to have to stick it to this tube? I guess I can have some tube steak, but we're going to try this out here, and we'll have to get back to you on this review here. We'll have a text review for it, as usual. So, this is Mark Rollins signing off, and we are to be continued.